Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Children, today we are going to do new exercise. Let's do 7H. Okay children, so question number 1. There are 64 students in one section. How many students are there in 12 section? So in one section 64 students are there and we have to find out the students in 12 section. So let us copy down question number 1 in our class work. Number of students in one section is equals to 64. Number of students in 12 section is equals to 64 multiplied by 12. Okay children, so let's multiply 64 into 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 into 1 4s are 4, 1 6s are 6. So 8, 4 and 2 6, 6 and 1 7. So answer total students in 12 sections is equals to 768. This is our answer. Okay children. Now solution number 2. What is the question solution number 2? Question number 2 is how many books will library have if each cupboard contain 165 books and the cupboards is 65. वन कबर्ड में 165 बुक्स आती है तो 65 कबर्ड्स में कितनी आएंगी? तो आपको क्या करना है 165 into 65. Okay, one cupboard is equals to 165 books. So 65 cupboards is equals to 165 into 65. So here you have to do the multiplication in this question and the answer will be 10725 and this question is for your homework. Now question 3. There are 56 beads in a necklace. How many beads will be required to prepare 36 such necklace? One necklace is equals to 56 beads and 36 necklace is equals to 56 into 36. This is also for your homework. Okay. Now in question number 4, in one day we have 24 hours. How many hours are there in 365 days? So children, come on, copy question number 4. One day is equals to 24 hours. So 365 days is equals to 24 into 365 hours. Okay. So we have 365 multiplied by 24. So 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2, 6 4s are 24 and 2 6, 26, 4 3s are 12 and 2 14. 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Now we are going to add this up. 0, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 1 is 8. So our answer is 8760. So our answer is 365 days has 8760 hours. Okay children, this is our answer. Now next question. A sofa set cost 5689. Find the cost of 5 such sofa sets. एक सोफे की कॉस्ट है 5689 तो 5 सोफे की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? कॉपी करिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्लास वर्क कॉपी में. So 1 sofa set cost is equals to rupees. How many rupees? 5689. So 5 sofa set cost is equals to rupees 5 into 5 689. So we have multiplication 5 6 8 9 into 5. So 5 9s are 45, carry 4, 5 8s are 40 and 4 is 44. 5 6 are 30 and 4 is 34. 5 5 are 25, 26, 27, 28. So it's 28. So 28,445. So answer, cost of 5 sofa set is equals to rupees 28,445. Okay children, this is our answer. Now next question. In a cinema hall, there are 165 rows of chairs. In each row, there are 72 chairs. How many chairs are there in a cinema hall? एक सिनेमा हॉल में एक रो में 72 चेयर्स होती है, तो 165 रोज में कितनी होगी? तो चलिए सोल्यूशन नंबर 6 करते हैं. One rows has chairs is equals to 72. Okay, so 165 rows has chairs is equals to 165 into 72. Okay children, so 165 into 72 is equals to 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Multiplied by 7 5s are 35, 5 carry 3, 7 6 are 42, 43, 44, 45, 5 carry 4, 7 1 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are going to add this up. 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 1. So 11,880 chairs will be there. So answer, total number of chairs in 165 rows is equals to 11,880. This is our answer. Okay. So next, Sonu delivers 216 newspaper each morning. How many newspaper does he deliver in 3 days? 2, 3, 31 days. 31 days. So you have to do this question number 7 for your homework. So 1 day is equals to 216 newspaper. So 31 days is equals to 216 into 31. So this you have to do in your homework. Now question number 8. In a garden there are 46 rows of trees. In each row there are 24 trees. How many trees are there in the garden? Copy down question number 8 is also for your homework. Okay children. Now question number 9. If one books contain 184 page, how many pages do 42 books contain? एक बुक में 184 पेजेस होते हैं, तो 42 बुक्स में कितने पेजेस होंगे? ओके, सो कॉपी डाउन क्वेश्चन 9. सो सोल्यूशन नंबर 9. One books has pages. एक बुक में कितने पेजेस होते हैं? 184 पेजेस होते हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ पेजेस in 72 books equal to 184 into 72. 42 is there, not 72. 42 है, 42 बुक्स में निकालना है. So 184 into 42. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3, 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 8 4s are 32 and 1 33, 3 carry 3, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7, 8 12, 3 3 6 and 1 7 and 7. So answer is 7,720 page. So answer, 42 books has 7,728 pages. Okay. So question number 10. Now question number 10 is, if the cost of one table is 15,060, what is the cost of 9 such tables? So children, copy down question number 10. एक टेबल की कॉस्ट 15,560 है, तो 9 टेबल की कॉस्ट पता करनी है. So cost of one table is equals to 1560 rupees. Okay. So cost of how many tables? 9 tables is equals to 1560 into 9. So we are going to multiply 1560 into 9. 9 zeros are 0. 9 6 are 54. Carry 5. 9 5 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 0, carry 5. 9 1s are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So answer is 14,040. So answer, cost of 9 tables is equals to 14,040. Okay children? So we have question 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Rest you have to do in your homework copy and complete your homework as well as classwork. Now we will start the next topic. Let us practice. So this question 1 part A, multiply, you have to do on your own in your classwork. I am giving you the answers. 8 5s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 2s are 10 and 4 is there is not enough space. यहाँ पर space नहीं है. You will do in your classwork only. Okay? So let us copy part A in our classwork. So children, let us practice multiply. 28 into 15. 5 8s are 40. 0 carry 4. 5 2s are 10 and 4 is 14. 0 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Add this up. 0, 8 and 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 2 and 1 is 3 and 1, 4. So answer is 420. Now part B, 36 into 24. 4 6 are 24, 4 carry 2, 4 3 are 12, 13, 14. Put a cross or 0, 6 2 are 12, 2 carry 1, 3 2 are 6 and 1, 7. Plus 4 and 2 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 864. Part C, 53 into 29, 9 3s are 27, 7 carry 2, 9 5s are 45, 46, 47. So 47, put a 0 across, 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now add this up, 7, 13, carry 1, 3, 4 and 1 is 5 and 1. So 1537. Now after A, B, C, you have to copy down E. 808 into 36. 6 8s are 48, 8 carry 4, 6 8s are again 48. Put a cross or 0, 8 3s are 24, 4 carry 2, again 2, 8 3s are 24, again 24. Now 8, 8, 10, 0 carry 1, 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9 and 2. So 29,088. Now 8 2s are 16, 6 carry 1, 8 1s are 8 1 9, 8 4s are 32. Put a 0 across, 2 1s are 2, 2 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4. Now add this up, 6 9, 1 carry 1, 2 and 1 3 and 1 is 4, 4 5 6 7. Okay, so answer is 7,416. Now part G, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1, 3, 3 1s are 3. Now put across a 0, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 4 4s are 16 and 1, 17. Carry 1, 4 1s are 4 and 1, 5, 4 1s are 4. So add this up, 9, 4, 2 2 4, 7 and 3 is 10, 0 carry 1, 5 and 3 is 8 and 1 9 and 1 4. 49,049. Okay children, so we have done part A, B, C, E, F, G. Now part D is for your homework, H is for your homework, and homework you have to do in your homework copy. Now question number 2, find the product. So this we can do orally. 1 zeros are 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, 18, and how many 0? 2. So we will put 2 zeros. Okay. Now next, 9 6s are 54, and how many 0? 1. So we will put 1 0. So answer is 540. Now 238 into 200. So 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 2 2s are 4 and double 0. So answer is 47,600. Now next 15 into 90. So 9 5s are 45, 5 carry 4, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12 13. So 135, and how many 0? 1. So answer is 1,350. Now 146 are 146 or 30 is there, so 46,000. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 11 12. 5 carry 2, 5 2s are 10 and 11, 125 or 3 zeros. So 1,25,000 is our answer. Okay children, you have to do this in your homework copy. Now fill in the blanks. 144 into 28 is equals to 28 into 144. Now part B, 4290 into dash is equals to 4290. जब सेम नंबर हो तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होता है. 6316 into 0 is equals to 0. किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 0 ही आता है. 729 into dash is equals to 0 into 0 is equals to 0. 42 into 75 into 9 is equals to 75 भी है. अब इधर से देखिए क्या है, 42 भी है, क्या बचा 9, तो यहाँ पर 9 आएगा. ये ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी है मल्टीप्लिकेशन की. 156 इंटू कितना, तो 25. ओके चलो. नाउ नेक्स्ट 4. 265 car can be parked in one section. How many car can be parked in 82 such sections? Okay. So let us copy down this question. कार इन वन सेक्शन में कितनी कार्स होती हैं? 256, 265. ओके 265 कार्स. सो कार्स इन 82 sections is equals to 265 into 82. So 265 into 82 is equals to 5 to the 10, 0 carry 1, 6 to the 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1, 2 to the 4 and 1 5. Now put a 0, 8 5 is the 40, 0 carry 4, 6 is the 48, 49, 50, 50 and 52, 2 carry 5, 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21. Now add this up. 0, 3, 7, 1 and 2. So answer is cars parked in 82 sections is equals to कितनी कार पार्क हुई? 21,730. This is our answer. Now next question, solution number 5. A small scale industry produced 342 screws in 1 hour. How many screws will it produce in 24 hours? Okay. 1 घंटे में 342 स्क्रू बनते हैं, तो 24 घंटे में कितने बनेंगे? तो screw produced in 1 hour equal to कितने बनते हैं? 342. Screw produced in 24 hours equal to 342 into 24. Okay children, so 342 into 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. Now put across, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now add this up, 8, 10, 1, 8 and 1 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 carry 1, 6, 7 and 8. So answer is 8208. So answer is screw produced in 24 hours is equals to 8208. Okay, children? So we have done the exercise. Let us practice. Now we are going to do the brainstorm. So let us start brainstorming objective type question. Take the correct answer. In 18 into 8 is equals to 144. 144 is called the product. Answer को क्या बोलते हैं? Product. 100 into 100 is equals to how many zeros are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Part C is the correct answer. If 8 into 12 into 2 is equals to 192, then what is 12 into 2 into 8? Then our same answer is there. Okay. This is order property. 825 into how much is 0? 825 into 0 is 0. So answer is A, 0. The product of the place value and the face value of 8 in itna ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So ones, tens, 100. So place value is 800 and the face value is 8. So 8 8 is 64. So answer is part D. Okay. फेस वैल्यू 80 है और प्लेस वैल्यू 800 है, तो 800 इंटू 8 कितना होगा? 8 8 जा 64, तो 6400. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर. ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर है 99 और ग्रेटेस्ट 1 डिजिट है 9. तो ग्रेटेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर है ग्रेटेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर का करना है. तो हमें आंसर मिलेगा पार्ट 6 का. आप सॉल्व करके देख लेंगे सी. ओके. 14 इंटू 200, तो 14 टू ज़ा 28 और डबल जीरो आएंगे तो पार्ट बी आएगा 2800. डैश इंटू 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2086. सो 2086 इंटू 1 इज 2086. सो आंसर इज पार्ट सी. 72 इंटू डैश इज इक्वल्स टू 72,000. सो हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर देयर? 3. सो वी विल पुट 3 zeros. सो आंसर इज डी, 1000. The product of 70 and 70 is 7 sevens are 49. So 49 and double zero. So part C is there. Okay. The one digit in the product of 138 and 30 is the ones digit. Ones digit में 30 और 38 की प्रोडक्ट जब करेंगे 138 into 30 तो कितना आएगा? 0. वंस डिजिट कौन सी होनी चाहिए? 0 ही होनी चाहिए. पार्ट ए. हाउ मेनी व्हील्स आर देयर इन 2 dozen ट्राईसाइकिल? ट्राईसाइकिल मतलब जिसमें 3 पहिए होते हैं और 2 डजन्स मीन्स 12. तो 12 इंटू 2 कितना होता है? 12 इंटू 3 कितना होता है? 12 3 ज़ा. हाउ मेनी व्हील्स आर देयर इन 2 dozen ट्राईसाइकिल्स? 2 डजन्स मीन्स 1 डजन में 12. तो 12 2 ज़ा 24 और 24 इंटू 3 इज C, part 72. Okay, children. So we have done here our chapter. We will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, have a great day.